Welcome to today's safety awareness. Please, electrical safety awareness. And today's subject is substandard LT4 direction and laying of conductor in a substandard way, and how it leads to dangerous condition. Now, first we will study one by one photo. Please see this photo. Please see. Here, the angle in between LT support and stud should be more than 30 degrees, but it is less than 30 degrees. Hence, it has allowed to tilt the pole. Angle between stud and electrical support near top, that is to be more than 30. Secondly, the height of embedment in ground of this LT pole shall be 1/6 pole height. And while erecting this pole in soil, at the base of the pole in the pit, there shall be bare concrete base pad or base plate to avoid tilting of this pole. But it seems it may not be there. And thirdly, when erecting a support in soil, there is a prescribed procedure practice of poking and ramming of the backfill material with water, which shall include maroon and boulders along with mother soil also. I think this may not have been done here with the tilted position of the pole shows. Here, the aspects of civil engineering and foundation and soil nature is totally neglected, and this clearly shows there was no supervision of an engineer on this work. The work itself speaks that this is a work done by unskilled labor. Now, if we see this top portion, for neutral, no aluminum bobbing is used. And regarding upper three phases, we will study next photo. Now, please see this photo. Please see the condition of the jumpers and the for binding the conductor in shackle. It seems that no prescribed binding tape is binded on the conductor, and no binding wire of prescribed size she seems not to be used. And as per methods of construction, it is essential. And how the conductor is to be binded on the shackle, there are drawings, procedures, but it seems that is not followed here. The jumpers are in a very haphazard manner. For jumpers, PG clamps should have been used, electric PG clamps. And as per regulations, all the metal fittings on the pole, that is the clamp and other clamps, should have been earthed, and being a cut point, neutral and pole should have been efficiently earthed here. Now we will study, we will go further. Now please see this clearance. Please see, 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 please see. How this conductor is hanging, how the shaft is very, very big, and it is reported that even a ship cannot pass from the top, from the below-most conductor. Please see. And what is the reason? The reason is simply, see now, I think the this is this pole, and this is this pole. And it seems that the distance between these two supports may be more than 225 feet, which is not allowed. And why so much hanging of the conductor or loose conductor? Please see here. Please see. This pole also seems to be, this is a tilted and moving ship. This pole is tilted and the pole at other end. This pole is also tilted. The both poles are tilted towards each other, and hence this hanging of support is so much. Means this support pole is not erected as per methods of construction, and this pole is not also erected as per methods of construction, and both the poles are tilted towards each other. That's why so much sag is there. And here I think there might have been stay, but this is not being clearly seen. But this is a simple substandard work, and substandard work is a mother of accident, and it is maintenance cost. Now we will study further photo. This we have seen, this we have seen, this we have seen. Please see, please see this. Please see, please see, please see, please see, please see, please see, please see. The crop is touching the conductor. How the animals and the farmers working this area might have been safe up till now, only by the grace of God only. And because everybody has shown their own difficulties, I do not want to comment on this, because everybody is showing their difficulty. The NSU judicial engineers are showing their difficulty, electrical inspection wing engineers are showing their difficulty. Now please see the stay here. I think the angle between the pole and stem is also seems to be less than 30 degrees. There is a clear-cut method of construction direct to that the angle between stay or slot between pole shall not be less than 30 degrees and more than 45 degrees. Simple rules are there. Hence, my earnest appeal to all the experts and engineers is that they know very simple things are to be taught to the field engineers and line staff. No micro discussions in such a dilated condition are not required and they are waste of time. The experts should come into field. They should visit fields, not seminars, webinars. Kindly pardon me for this my sarcastic remark. The micro discussions will not save the life of farmers and humans and animals. Now, moving in the field is the first priority. As per my experience, I do not want to discourage anybody, to blame anybody, but the situation compels me to talk like this, hence kindly pardon. But right from highest authorities to all experts, now time has come for them to move to the work sites, visit the work sites and guide the line staff, the field engineers, so that such type of work, dangerous type of work will not come into circuit. God knows how many such works and locations are in the system. God knows. And if this is not given attention, there will be numerous electrocutions out of control of all, including electrical inspection unit. This is my vision. If somebody is hurting, kindly pardon and excuse me. But above all, life and limb of all farmers, laborers, their animals are above all the things, because they have got right to exist on this planet. Our Constitution has assured a right to life to each and every citizen. And it is the duty of the government, all the experts, and government of Maharashtra to look into such works immediately. Kindly give serious attention to my talk of a retired chief engineer. I am not a farmer now talking. I am talking as a retired chief engineer and National Safety Commission member. Kindly give attention. Request to all topmost authorities of Mahavitran Company and Electrical Inspection Unit authorities. My humble request, kindly visit now sites, and there is a humble request to all the experts, at least visit some sites, and guide field engineers and workers. Thank you. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired chief engineer and National Safety Council member. By the way, the minimum clearance of bottommost conductor of this LT line shall be more than 4.56 meters as per CEA regulation. This should not be less than 4.56. Here, there is no consideration for to CA regulations, I Act 20, I Act 2003, no consideration, only labor technology, and labor technology. Even before charging, taking this substandard work into service, the inspection of an engineer was necessary. I do not know the inspection was done or not. But for the sake of lives of poor farmers, laborers and animals, kindly strict to the provisions of CA Regulation 2010, Standards and Measures. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer and National Safety Council member. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel because I will not be in a position to post this video to each and everybody. And I am not going to tell the location. These locations might be everywhere in some quantity in all the corners of Maharashtra. If not, I will be happy. Kindly subscribe. Again, pardon me for my all these sarcastic remarks because I could not keep quiet. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.